Hello, traders. Gary Wagner here. Just about 2 o'clock in Honolulu, 7 o'clock in New York. It is Thursday, 18th day of February, 2021, and this is the daily report for gold and silver. Fractional gains in gold. Silver went down, but a sizable move in platinum. We did issue a trade alert. That will be the focus of not only our opening letter today, but also on our technical studies. We'll talk about reasons we believe platinum has a long duration in terms of a potential upside move, and that will begin right now. Traders, after yesterday's double-digit decline, we had fractional gains in both Forex and gold futures. We're looking at spot gold 1775.40. When we shift over to gold futures, this, of course, bases the most active April contract, 1774.60, up $1.80 on the day. Traders' first chart is a daily chart of gold futures. As you can see, I'd peg support right around here, but that obviously has to be moved to below these most recent lows. It did close below the 50% retracement yesterday, closed right at it today. What I find most noteworthy about this is the fact that I do believe that gold, although it might not have a lot of upside potential, is absolutely oversold. And by virtue of this double bottom here, we should see some pretty eloquent support. We talked about this yesterday. If we go back to June and July of last year, what we see is that the market itself, in terms of gold pricing, was moved up, and then it kind of went sideways for a while. But this was really the tipping point here, and really the 38% was when it went parabolic to its all-time highs. So why we remain flat in gold? We have actively put on a trade in platinum. We're still in silver. We'll have to see if the market holds this key and critical area of support. And traders, even with dollar weakness today, we did see silver futures and Forex go lower. We're looking at the March contract of silver, 27.08, putting it down about 23 cents on the day. The iShares Silver Trust did lose a little over 1.25%, 34 cents per share, currently printing at 25.06. And traders, unlike gold, unquestionably, silver is still in a bullish mode. And even though it has been trading sideways, and that's indicative over the last week, you can see this combination of red and green candles, all at about the same price. However, it's maintained its price point above $25.75. And since the cross between the 50-day moving above the 100-day, we are now in the proper order for a fully bullish scenario, which is 200, 100, and then 50-day. My sense is that our real resistance comes in at this top. It matches with the top we got today. That comes in at about $28. A move above 28, though, I believe will propel silver straight to 30 or above. So I remain bullish on silver. We did send out a trade alert to initiate positions in platinum. We'll talk about that when we pulled up our charts, but platinum is at $12.8280, up over $25 on the day, or 2%. Today, we added platinum to our portfolio in terms of initiating a long buy in the futures market. My rationale behind that is there's absolutely been a paradigm shift in which we are slowly moving away from fossil fuel-based internal combustion engines to electric and hydrogen-powered vehicles. Both of those vehicles, meaning fuel cells for hydrogen, batteries for the electric cars, require enormous amounts of platinum compared to what we were using for just a catalytic converter. That is going to be a long-term shift. That's not going to happen overnight. However, it will require that we use more platinum, and allowing for a consistent supply that's already facing some shortages, we could see that market move much higher. We entered the trade at 12.82. The market's trading at 12.84. We have a couple of things that are really bullish about this market when we look at it. First, take a look at our 3 moving averages. They're in perfect alignment. They're moving apart from each other with the 200, 100, and then 50-day. I've created a simple Fibonacci extension in which I am looking at the longest of the wave, which is our 3rd wave here. I'm taking it to the 4th wave, and then I'm looking at different areas. Now, typically you would look at a 0.618% extension, but in the case of the fundamentals behind platinum right now, I believe we could certainly see an extended 5th wave. Doing my hand drawings and Elliott Wave Get are in perfect agreement, looking at a 1-to-1 relationship. Our target is $1,366 for a single ounce of platinum. It has certainly been undervalued for too long, and with these additional usages that have come in, I believe it will be the metal to watch through 2021. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you, as always, good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the weekly wrap-up and review. Bye-bye.